Similarly, buffer, here what we are going to do is we are going to have multiple rings. So previously what we did, we assigned, so if it is a 3 kilometer, you will get one ring for 3 kilometer. But when you are going for the multiple ring buffer, what you are going to do, you are going to assign more than one ring. So if it is 3 kilometer, you are going to assign 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 5 kilometer. Likewise, you are going to assign. So for example, I'm going to take these cities. Okay. So for here, for the distance, for first, what you have to do, you have to assign the buffer unit. Okay, the buffer unit should be in the kilometers. Then you have to assign the distance as 3 kilometer, then 4 kilometer, then the 5 kilometer. Okay, then click OK. So if the zoom stops, one second. So if the zoom stops the responding, what you can do, you can rejoin again. Okay, once it's stopped, you can rejoin. Clear?
Okay.
So soon after, once it ends, it's better to rejoin. So here, so 3, 4, 5. So you have assigned. If you wish, you can remove these entries. Okay. So by selecting on those, you can remove it. And while adding the entries, once you typed a letter, okay, then you have to click on this addition icon. Then it will be added in the entry. Okay. Then click OK. So it will take some more time, especially for the multiple ring buffer. So usually multiple ring buffer will be in the old default. By default, it will be in old default. Okay, so I'll show you. So if I open it again, so here you can see dissolve is already by default it will be in old. Okay, why? Because if you are assigning none, so though we are dealing with multiple rings. Okay, previously we dealt with only one ring. So that time if it overlaps, no issues. But if we are dealing with multiple rings, if the rings overlap on another, it would be difficult to read or to represent the map. Okay, so that is why we by defaultly we assign as all, but you can assign for none also, but it would be difficult for you. You may face some inconvenience while identifying the features from the map. Okay. It would require more time so just wait for a few minutes. So still it is working on it. So I will make another document. So just allow this to finish the multiple ring buffer. What you can do, we can go for another document where I can show the other tools. Okay. So here, so I have taken the forest and the eastern province polygons. Okay. So now I am going to talk about. So let's find what will happen to the other one, multiple ring buffers. Obviously, sometimes it would require more time. So we'll see. So we'll in the meantime we'll go for this. Okay. So what we have to do. So for the next one, we can use intersect. Okay. So intersect means so intersect. It is it is a tool where both two layers, okay, when the two layers are overlaying on another, okay. So here the eastern province, this region is overlaying on the forest, this region is overlaying on the eastern province, and also this portion of the forest is being overlaying on the eastern province. Likewise, there are some portion it's being overlaid. So the intersect will give you which are the portion that is being overlaid only. Okay, that means where the intersecting. Okay, when where the those two features are overlaying, that will be your result for the intersect. Okay, for the intersect, go to analysis tools, go to overlay. Okay, analysis tools, go to overlay, and there is intersect. Okay, for this, so if you don't have any ideas what is or intersect, here you can find out the help. Okay, so this will show you what is intersect. So if this is a feature and this is another feature, if these are overlaying on another, so you will get the output as it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the forest and the eastern province. Okay, so there's no any changes, so just click OK. So see, this is the intersected one. So it will give you the values. I mean, it will gives you where these layers are intersecting. So the final answer will be like this. Okay, so it will show you only the intersecting portions. Okay, so the rest of the portion will be removed. Okay, so that is the role of the intersect. Okay, multiple ring buffer, it takes more time. I don't know why it's so takes. Let's cancel this one and do it again. Okay, then we'll go to next tool, which is called as union. So union, that is more or less similar to intersect. Okay, but same thing, the two layers, I mean two things. Okay, two layers that we are taking. Okay, so this is one layer and this is another layer. So when we apply union, you will get the entire region. So you don't get the intersected portion. Whatever the input that you are giving, that will become as a union. So merge and union, more or less, it seems like same. But merge can be applied for the multiple features. That means for row